Hey guys, it's me, Eileen and Destiny. So one of our comments said that they wanted us to supposedly like rub each other's back and count how many burps. Okay, so yeah. So if you're the person that made that comment, watch this and comment to see if we did it right, because we didn't understand it. Okay, so ready? I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna count them. Okay. Okay. Okay, you only did 8 burps. Okay. My turn? Yeah. Oh my god. I can't let this one out. Is my time's up? Yep. Okay. So
You only did 8.
I did not do 8.
Yes, you did.
You didn't count the little ones. I did.
You did little ones?
I got 10.
10.
Yeah. So she got 8 and I got 10. So yeah. Huh? Yes, I did. Okay. Yeah. Well. It's called subscribe us so that we can make more funny videos and stuff. Okay. Bye.